and welcome to All Things Styles by Pam. I'm not going to be in the video because after just putting this room back together and trying to get everything cleaned up, I look like a hot mess. But I also wanted to show you what new items that I did purchase for this room. Also, the main reason that you're here is to see the finished wall molding that I put up and and how it looks painted. So right now I have on my bedroom light because I just want to make sure that you can see, and then I'm going to turn it off almost at the end of the video so you can see the mood that I set for my room. So right now you're looking at my carpet, and it is newly purchased, and I think I got this from the at-home store. And if I can remember, I will go ahead and include it in the description box below. So let's go ahead and pan up. I'm not going to show you the wall molding yet. I will in just a moment. So this is the wall that I did in my master bedroom. It is not the wall with the wall molding. I'm going to show you that in just a moment. Now, let me tell you what I did to lighten up this room a little bit more. Because my walls are painted gray and they do have a blue undertone to them, I wanted to bring back in the white. Okay, and I think it will help to tone down so much of the gray that I have on the walls or in any of my decor that I have in here. Now, I do have my mirror pushed up against the door right here because these curtains right here I purchased from Amazon, and I have to look to see which color that I chose. I think these are a grayish white color that I did pick from Amazon, and that is the name. It's called grayish white. I changed the curtain rods from silver to black because I wanted to incorporate black into the room, but also keeping the room not being so dark. And that is the reason why I chose these picture frames right here. They have the white matting in them because I still wanted to bring in a little bit more white as well. Now, looking at the curtains and looking at the white matting that is in the picture frames, I think I did choose a grayish white, but like I said, I will look to make sure. I kept this area right here the same. This is where my bed used to be, and I turned it around. So I still kept my gray chairs, and that is another reason why I wanted to bring in lighter colors in this room. But I still was able to bring in darker colors as well because of the curtains, the white matting in the picture frames. What I also did was, these are some pillowcases that I did pick up from IKEA. And I did do a video on these pillows. I know I did. So yeah, I picked these up from IKEA, and I do like, they sort of have a ombre effect where they're darker at the bottom and then lighter at the top. These blankets right here I picked up from Bed Bath and Beyond, and the brand is UGG. So these are Uggs blankets, okay? And like I said, I wanted to bring in some lighter colors with the darker colors, like the books that I have over here. And if I'm not mistaken, I think I did get these from Amazon as well. The candle is from Bath and Body Works. And the flowers that you see, I think I got these from Hobby Lobby a while back. So I still have those. And these are the pictures that I took out of my books, my home decor books. And I'm sorry about the chandelier that is kind of blinding on one of the well, all of the pictures. And I thought, let me tell you, the quality of these pictures that came out of my books, it's just amazing. Excuse me. It's just amazing because they look so good. And I wanted something up against this wall that had a little bit of white in it. Now, let's go ahead and see what I did with the wall molding. Okay. This is the wall molding that I did that took me almost a week to do and a couple of days to clean up this room. Now, the flowers that you see right here, I got those from, or pampas grass, I got those from Kirkland's. They are brown, and I wanted to bring in a darker color, but I wanted to bring in something that wasn't black or something that wasn't white, even though the base is white. And I did keep my lamps. And as you can see from my nightstand, if you've been watching my videos, a long time ago, I did paint those, the color that they are. I did white first, and then I did the gray color on top, kind of giving it a distressed look. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep the mirrors that you see right here on the end. I'm not sure. I thought about putting like 2 of those right there and then right there. I'm still not sure about that. I did keep the painting or the artwork that I already had. I kept that up there, but I didn't want to take too much away from the wall molding that I did. I did use the paint that I already had. And if I can, because I did go to Lowe's and I had them to mix it for me. I think that's what I did. I've been so busy with this room, I completely forgot, but I will put everything in the description box below. Those lamps, I had got those from Home Goods a while back, okay? So, as you can see, this is how I'm so proud of myself. I really am. You can hardly see the chair railing that's going across, but one thing I did do was make sure that it was higher than the nightstand that I have right here. So that way, when I do sit down and I am doing a video, you can still get an essence of the chair railing that is right here. So I wanted to make sure that that was seen, and I did leave enough room just in case I wanted to put the mirrors back up here. And I'm not sure if I'm going to leave them there or if I'm going to hang them. So right now they're just leaning. I am so proud of myself because I did all of this by myself. I cut everything. I'm still not good with the measurements, okay? But I'm so proud of myself that I did this wall molding. And let me tell you, I smile every time I come in this room. I think it was a perfect accent to put up on my wall behind my bed. And that is the reason why I moved my bed. The blanket that you see on my bed, I did get that from Target, and it is thick, okay? So I just went ahead and laid it right at the foot of my bed. Now, let me show you a secret. And I know everyone is not going to want to do this, but that is okay. So let me show you something that I chose to do. Now, I like for whatever is at the foot of my bed to be what am I saying? To not be flat, completely flat on the bed. So what I did was, and no, it does not bother me. I haven't had no issues with it. But what I do is to rise up the blanket at the bottom of the bed. I started putting a blanket under it. You don't have to do this. It may be too much for you to do. You don't. But this is something that I do to make it look thicker or to make it look higher. Okay. But this blanket right here, it is definitely thick, as you can see. It really is. I I kept my bed majority white, okay? Now, on this side right here, these are the pillows, the pillowcases that I was telling you about that I got from Amazon, okay? I changed them out to the gray so you can see what the gray looks like. Now, I probably am going to probably change them back out to the white, but I have not used these, and I wanted to just show you what the gray ones look like, and if I can find them, or because I know with Amazon it kind of deletes some of the things that you buy, so I'm gonna see if I can. And they're by Bedshore, okay? Bedshore. So that way, if I can't find the link, then you know that they are by Bedshore. Now, the reason why I added 2 pillows is because I wanted to raise up the pillows back here. Okay, I wanted like a staircase. So that is higher, and then as you come down, okay, this one is shorter. I think this one is a 22 by 22, and I think these two are 26 by 26. So I wanted a stair step, okay, on my bed. So that way, if I'm sitting right here, you can see the stair step, okay? Pillow in the back, and then the rest of the pillows coming down as like you were coming down the stairs. So if I'm sitting here, this is what you will see. So I wanted to go ahead and show you the wall molding and how it looks on the wall, painted and everything. And as you can see, I did a really good job. And again, I did have to raise up this picture, this artwork right here. And you can probably, because of my headboard. My headboard is high. So you can see the outline of the wall molding, but you can barely see the top. And I'm perfectly okay with that. I am. But I wanted to go ahead and show you what the room looked like with the wall molding, the bed, and this wall right here, and these beautiful, beautiful curtains that I got from Amazon. I did try to keep this room uncluttered with, I don't like clutter, okay? So I did try to keep the room as clean looking as possible. Not a whole bunch of stuff on my nightstands. And this wall right here, I think really brings in this wall right here with the wall molding. You see how it just ties everything in? You see how the grayish curtains and the white matting in the picture frames just really help bring this room together. And that's the reason why I'm kind of iffy on removing the artwork, because it is outlined in black. And I'm just loving how the room came out. And the only reason why I have this plant right here, which I'm going to see if I can slide the mirror back over and see how it will look beside the mirror. But the reason why I did it like that, again, is because I wanted you to see these curtains. I steamed them, and let me tell you, it took me, because I wanted the curtains to be perfect for you guys. And it took me a minute to get them steamed out. But I'm really loving that I decided to change the hardware the curtain rods. Now, the only thing that I don't like is that I wish that the contractor had put molding around the window, and I may try to do that, which is an easy fix, but I want to make sure that it's going to look right. So that is something that I may tackle, but with all the different tones of gray in here, I had to bring in the white. So let me know. And on this side, I still have my my table, my desk right here with the mirror right here. And I'm trying not to be seen because I look like I've been working all day. So the room is plenty enough space. I always say make sure you have enough walkway, okay? And that is what I make sure of. Now, to go that way, I have enough walkway, okay? There is nothing that we can't walk over here, get in and get out the bed. Really, I sleep on this side. My husband sleeps on that side. But yeah, I just wanted to show you how everything came out. Let me know your comments below and your thoughts, and I hope that you like it. Again, my name is All Things Style by Pam, and you can call me Pam. Please join me on my Instagram at Diamond2872. I will be happy to have you over there. And like I always say, remember to put that diamond touch on anything that you decide to do. And I will talk to you guys in another video. Bye.